If you're ready for clear near vision, consider the corneal inlay, one of the latest advancements in treating presbyopia. Smaller and thinner than a contact lens, the inlay rests within your eye's surface and focuses the light entering the eye. Over time, the lens inside the eye becomes less flexible and it loses its ability to focus on near objects. This is called presbyopia. The corneal inlay is a small, thin, ring-shaped disc that helps correct the vision problems associated with presbyopia. When inserted within the body of the cornea, directly in front of the pupil, the inlay blocks peripheral unfocused light rays that blur your vision. By allowing only a small amount of focused central light rays into the eye, the corneal inlay can provide a clear image at a much wider range of distances. The inlay is placed only in one of your eyes and corrects near and intermediate vision. Working together, your eyes will let you see both near and far. The procedure can be performed in office and takes less than 15 minutes. Sutures are not necessary, and numbing eye drops are used. Start enjoying life without dependence on reading glasses. Ask us whether a corneal inlay is right for you.